Hi everyone, well, and today we're going to early review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The marketing status is upcoming, and we are going to do the early review of it so that it can be you can get an idea how it's going to be. So if you want more reviews like this, please make sure to subscribe, and if you find it helpful, please like it and share with your friends and family members and relatives so that we can gain more subscribers. Let's begin the review.
So guys, let's head to that. So as stakeholders mentioned that this phone marketing status is upcoming, and the facts about more about this phone is that it is actually rumored to come with a 7.70-inch touchscreen and primary display. Galaxy Z Fold 3 is an upcoming smartphone by Samsung. The phone is rumored with a 7.70 touchscreen display, a primary display. It also has a feature of 5.440 touchscreen as its second display with a resolution of 816 into 2260 pixels. And the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 supports proprietary fast charging. The exact camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is not yet known, but it can be expected to pack a multi-rear camera setup.
Something Galaxy Z43 runs with one UI 3.5 is based on the Android 11 and packs 256 gigabytes of inbuilt storage. Connectivity options in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 are set to include the Wi-Fi, GPS, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone are rumored to include the accelerometer, ambient light sensors, gyroscope, and proximity sensors. For the latest news of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 from Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 sale tipped to begin on August 27th, may be priced lower than the predecessor. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 was largely anticipated to launch in August. South Korean news outlet Yonhap News Agency reports that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 may go on sale starting August 27th, so you can buy on that time. The launch event is also expected to take place sometime in the first or the second week of August.
So guys, if you guys like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and press the notification bell. If you guys can see the screen, it's written subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on the notifications, share and like. And you guys also need to comment down in the section below, and you guys also need to say what do we need to improve, what do we have to review, and do not forget to leave your comments. So as we guys have told, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notifications. And also you guys have to well, you have to tell what do we need to improve, what do we need to have to review, and you guys have to leave that on the comments, and we will see you in the next video. And tech world, peace.
Peace. Bye bye.